Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can limit the amount of comment you get on your post on Instagram, since some people be wanting to keep their comment section well managed and also even restrict strangers, so you will feel safe with the commentators next time you post. So to do all that, today I will be showing you the way to do that without any special app or anything. It's all done in Instagram, so make sure you watch till the end of this video. To do that, let's start by opening Instagram. After it's been opened, go on the top right corner, and simply click on the three dots. After you done, you can see all this results to choose from, so click on settings, and now that settings are open, you can see that we have so many Instagram tools to work with. Simply click on privacy. So now that privacy is opened, simply click on comments. And now as you can see, we have two other options to work with. So to limit the comments you get on the post, simply click here on all comments from. And now that it's opened, you can see that we have three options, and all these options representing all the commenters on your post. So first we have everyone, and everyone means that every single Instagram account on social media can comment on your post. Second is people you follow and your followers, meaning that it's people who you only follow and those who follows you, meaning that only people in your circle will be the one capable to comment on your post just like that. So now let's go to number 3, which are people you only follow will be the one capable to comment on your post. And yes, this is a good feature because this is the proper way to restrict or control people who are in the comments, and since most people follow those who they trust, I could say it's good to use this option. And so for number 4 we have just those who follows you. This means that people who follows you will only the ones commenting on your posts. So from now on you can limit Instagram commenters by only the steps. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.